Hello and welcome to Farmamerica and Junior Achievement's Ag Career Exploration Program. My name is Sammy Meyer and I'm the Program Director at Farmamerica in Waseca, Minnesota. Today, you are going to get the chance to dive a little bit deeper into careers in agriculture and all of the opportunities that they have in store for you and how they go far beyond the big red barn. Before we get into any of the activities, I want to remind you that there is a Career Cluster Inventory online activity that you can complete. You may have already done this and recorded your answers, and you maybe have even completed a few of the activities on our online website format. If you have, great. We're so excited to hear that, and we hope that you have a little bit of an idea of what interests you in your future careers. Included in your kits today was a Minnesota Career Wheel. The career wheel is divided into 6 different career fields. These career fields include arts, communication, and information systems, engineering, manufacturing, and technology, health science technology, human services, business management and administration, and agriculture, food, and natural resources. Within these 6 career fields, you will see individual career pathways that you might be interested in. Some of these pathways require 2 years or 4-year degrees, additional training, and some even allow you to go directly into the workforce. The truth is, all of these career fields, clusters, and pathways can relate to agriculture in some way or another. For example, seed companies like DuPont and Syngenta need marketing managers to ensure they send an accurate and enticing message to potential consumers. These are just a few of the careers that may not necessarily be listed in the agriculture, food, and natural resources pathway, but can connect to agriculture in unexpected ways regardless. Once you've completed your activity, we'll provide additional links, resources, and opportunities for you to explore more about careers in agriculture. Chances are, if you find what you love to do, you can find it in agriculture.
Today, you are going to explore a career field that does in fact fall within the agriculture, food, and natural resources career field. You're going to get the chance to put yourself in the shoes of a soil scientist. People in this career pathway research or study soil characteristics and map soil types. They provide advice on rural and urban land use, and they conduct experiments on farms or experimental stations to determine the best soil types for different plants. Just like humans need food, shelter, warmth, and rest, plants need room to grow, the right temperature, light, water, air, and nutrients, which can all be provided to plants through healthy soils. Many of the fruits, vegetables, and grains in our diet are grown in the soil. In addition, the animals that provide our meat, milk, and eggs eat food that was grown in the soil. With little exception, our entire food supply relies on soil. Because soil is so important to our food supply, it's important for farmers to know just what their soil needs to ensure the best crop yield when it comes time to harvest. Farmers can recruit the help of soil scientists to tell just what their soils need. They will use a soil probe, like the one here, to take a sample of soil. They repeat this 5 to 10 times for each square of soil to make a diverse sample that provides the most accurate picture of the soil health in that field. Once the soil scientist collects enough samples, they mix all of the samples from the field together to use in their soil test. Soil scientists can test the soil themselves or send the samples off to a lab for testing by other scientists. I'll finish taking samples, then I'm sending them off to you for analysis. Using the materials and test kits provided, you will test the soil samples provided for the necessary nutrients and levels that are needed to grow a healthy corn and soybean crop. Once you test the soil for key nutrients and acidity levels, you're going to determine how successful corn and soybean crops would be if grown in the field where your soil samples were taken. Then determine if any soil treatments may be needed to ensure a healthy crop for harvest. Share your process and findings and see what other groups and classrooms discovered using the flipgrid link that we have provided.